Hello guys, I'm back. A couple of slimes here. I have my 4 different slimes. I got 4 different slimes. One of them really Play-Doh, the other ones are just really cute. And I like this slimes. So let's go check them out. So the first slime I basically have is my blue slime. If you haven't seen, this is a 1 pound slime. Go check it out. When it was 1 pound, go check it out. That, shall we know? That was fun. So this is my 1 pound slime, and matter of fact, I like the slime. Let's take off my jacket. That way I can have a better view. I like that. I like the slime. So these are my other slimes over here. So that was my first slime. Let me show you my other slime. So I like this slime.
Yeah. Did you watch the movie? You gonna leave me hanging or what? Oh, I thought you wanted me to put the pizza on your head.
Hey, Keaton. Hello. My camera is a little crazy. It's getting canceled. I'm not too crazy. I'll adjust that. Adjust it. Pretty cool. Now let's go on to our other slimes. So let's go on to our. Okay, guys. So I set my other slime aside to use later. With you guys. This is my other slime, my slime. This is nice. So this slime is orange and it's really cool. I like this slime the most. But that one, the other one, I like that slime too because it's pretty cool too. This one is an orange. I would call it like a light orange slime, not like a darky. It's like a light orange, or like that. So I like light orange. Light orange is a good color. So.
No, it's ham. I don't like ham.
Yes, you do. It's turkey. It's salami, it's turkey, or whatever you do.
Oh. And this slime is scented, so I like scented slimes. I really like them. I wish I always had. Guys, comments down below if you want me to mix in all the slimes that I'm going to show you together. And I will, if you guys can mix down below. And I think this will be 50 likes. It's not that much for you guys to do. I have to do a couple of it, and pretty sure that's all. I really like that. This slime, it's so cool. Now let's go on to our next slime. So, okay, so let's go to our next slime. Where's my slime? I'll be right back. And 1, 2, and 3. Here's my slime. I was looking at this little boy. The sun's hard to close. Okay. Ew, this one feels weird, guys. I made the slime about a few weeks ago, and right now, like when I poke it, when I used to poke it, it used to not make my nails. But it used to just like be like those click sounds, like the slime. They don't use the nails like that. And this one doesn't. Cut myself. So basically, that's basically what the slime is. It's not even. It's. I'm saying like I like the slime, but it's not as good as the other slimes. This one's less stretchy compared to these. That one is very. I have to go farther because the screen won't reach it. So basically, yeah. And then this line, I don't even need to go far. Like it stretches like 1 inch. Okay. No, more than 1 inch. Like let's say 1 feet. But it's not too long. So I don't have to go back. Oh, there's a stretchiness in it. There it is. There's the stretchy in it. But this isn't slime. It's kind of like putty. But okay, sometimes it does it like normal. Sometimes it rips apart easily. See, sometimes I stretch it and it rips apart easily. I don't know. Not even pulling it apart. It just rips high off, and I just don't like it. I don't like this slime. If you can see, it is a mess. It is goopy slime. Comment down below if you guys like goopy slime. Be sure to hate goopy slime because it's just so goopy. I just don't like this slime. This slime is good. It's good. I like this slime. I like the texture. It's like putty. And I do like putty, but what about this? This is not putty, so you can go away because I don't like putty, so I'm gonna squeeze myself because I am so unsatisfied. Okay, now let's go to our Play-Doh. See, the Play-Doh is more stretchier. But right now, I think the most stretchiest one is the blue slime. It is definitely the stretchiest one. Definitely, as in A-OK. It's definitely the buggy. This one isn't as stretchy as the other slimes. And plus, I don't really like it. It's not even slime. It's like Play-Doh. Who likes Play-Doh? Comments down below if you like Play-Doh. Because I do like Play-Doh, but what? I do like Play-Doh, but what is this? I've never seen Play-Doh that I bought from the store that looks like this. It's messed up. Cuckoo Pirates. What does it say? It's in a Play-Doh container. Leave it inside there. Bunched in off into there. You can go rest. Ooh, okay. Get this big plant. Blue slime. I would say it. I think it's blue. guys, it's actually purple, but it looks blue in the camera. Try to see if you see the purple inside. Let me zoom it in and try to. I'm zooming it in, trying to see if you can see the more purple. Okay, zooming out. I don't think that you saw the purple ones. It's kind of messed up. And I think, compared to each other, the blue is way more stretchy. Wait. Like, it's way more stretchy than any other slime I ever had in my life. And I don't know why it's cute and stuff, but I mixed in my slimes together. I really like this orange slime. This orange color is just my favorite color. And I do like this blue color, but it's putty. So who likes a blue putty? Not me, I don't like putty. But this is really stretchy, and I do like stretchy slime, so pretty good slime. That's stretchy. And this one does the swirls, but I don't really like too much stretchy slime, because when you do it stretch, and then once you do a swirl, it's gonna be too stretchy. This one's okay. It doesn't stretch too much. I like that. I like that it doesn't stretch too much, because that way I could do a perfect swirl without it getting more bigger and bigger. I like this slime. It's pretty cool. I would give this like an 8 out of 10. I would give this I'll give this a 9 out of 10. I give this an 8. This deserves like an 8. This is like like a 4 out of 10. No, 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10. This is a 6 out of 10, and this is maybe like a 10 out of 10. I like it. 10 out of 10. It's definitely a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 slime. Here we go. This is a really good slime. Comment down below what you think I should name these slimes. Now I gotta go because this is a lot of minutes. So I gotta go. Play with my slimes. I gotta go play with my slimes. And here are all my slimes. So go check out all of the slimes out. I will have them all links down below for you guys to watch my other video. I will have them links down below how I make the slimes and how to make them. Why did I do that? I'll play them on it. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment down below what I should name the slimes. And tell me, like, separated things, like, tell me the orange one should be named something, the orange one should be named something, whatever you want to name it, and then the blue one should be named something, whatever you want to name it, and this is light blue, this is dark blue, so don't mess up light, dark. Okay, so they're light and dark, so, yeah. So comment down below, like, this light one should be named blah 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 or something, or this blue one should be named blah blah blah, whatever you want to name it. But do not name it blah blah blah, because I don't like that slime names. And what should this Play-Doh be called instead of just Play-Doh? What should we name it like? Maybe like crunchy Play-Doh slime that looks like slime. Guys, comment down below what I should